Now, copy the link to its sales page. This is where the magic begins. Go back to your AI chat tool and give it a new prompt. Something like, write 5 short, 60-second video scripts for TikTok about the benefits of a keto diet. Each script should address one pain point we identified earlier and present the keto diet as the solution. Make the tone encouraging and use a strong hook at the beginning. Boom. You'll get 5 ready-to-use scripts. For example, one script might start with, tired of diets that just don't work, and then explain how keto retrains your body to burn fat for fuel. Another might start with, feeling sluggish and foggy all day, and then talk about the mental clarity people experience on keto. But what about the visuals? You don't need a professional camera. We're going to use AI video generators. Tools like Synthesia AI, Pictory, or Canva's Magic Media can create videos from just a text prompt. You can literally copy and paste your AI-generated script into one of these tools. Let's try it. Arrange the clips to match the narration. Add some text overlays to highlight key points, like boost your energy or unlock fat burning. Now for the final and most crucial step, getting views. This is where we use the power of social media. We're going to post our video on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. These platforms are designed to push new content to a massive audience, even if you have 0 followers. Here's how to optimize your posts for maximum reach. First, your video description. Go back to ChatGPT and say, write a catchy description for a short video about keto benefits. Include relevant hashtags for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. The AI will give you a perfect, keyword-rich description and a list of hashtags like hashtag keto diet, hashtag weight loss journey, hashtag healthy living, and hashtag low carb. Now, where do you put your affiliate link? This is key. In your video, you'll have a call to action. The voiceover can say something like, if you want to get started with a guided keto plan that makes it easy, check out the link in my bio. Or, ready to transform your health? I've linked my favorite keto resource in my profile. On TikTok and Instagram, your affiliate link goes directly in your profile bio. You can use a free tool like Linktree to have one clean link that leads to your affiliate product. On YouTube Shorts, you can put the link in the description, the pinned comment, and your channel's profile. You're guiding people directly to the product you're promoting. The beauty of this system is that it's a numbers game. You can use AI to create not just 1, but 5, 10, or even 20 of these short videos very quickly. Batch create them. Spend a couple of hours one afternoon and schedule them to post throughout the week. The more content you put out, the higher your chances of one video going viral and bringing in a flood of traffic and sales. Let's recap the entire process. 1. Find a high-converting affiliate product on a network like ClickBank. 2. Use ChatGPT to analyze the product and generate video script ideas that solve customer problems. 3. Use AI video generators like InVideo or Canva to create the visuals, and an AI voice generator for the voiceover if needed. 4. Edit it all together in a free app like CapCut. 5. Post your videos on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram with AI-generated descriptions and hashtags, and put your affiliate link in your bio or pinned comment. You are leveraging free, powerful AI to create a content machine that works for you, promoting products and earning commissions 24/7.